Hello everyone, let's talk about steel. I'm Kevin Jiang, product consultant of MESCO STEEL. In this video, we will discuss VCM laminated steel sheet. VCM laminated steel sheet refers to coating PVC or PET film on the metal surface to make it firmly adhered. It is also called PVC or PET coated steel plate or PVC or PET coated colored steel plate. Film type. There are two main types of film, PET and PVC. PET film is a film with relatively comprehensive properties. It has good transparency, gloss, good air tightness, and medium moisture resistance. PET film has excellent mechanical properties, and its tensile strength and impact strength are much higher than those of ordinary films. But it is not resistant to strong alkali and is easily charged with static electricity. PET film is environmentally friendly and non-toxic. The service life is generally 8 to 15 years. The main component of PVC film is polyvinyl chloride, which is slightly yellow, translucent, and shiny. Depending on the amount of additives used, it is divided into soft and hard PVC. PVC film has a certain degree of toxicity, but there are also environmentally friendly and non-toxic ones, but the cost is higher. The service life is generally 6 to 10 years. Color and gloss. The single color that can be customized for the VCM laminated steel plate is less than the RAL color card of the pre-painted steel plate. But the surface of metal pattern, wood grain, and other complex colors can also be realized. Laminate film can be pre-painted according to the user's needs. Currently used PVC color films include bright film and matte film. Substrate type. Similar to color-coated steel, the substrate of VCM laminated steel plate can be cold-rolled steel, hot-dip galvanized, electro-galvanized, galvalume, zinc, aluminum, magnesium coated, aluminum plate, stainless steel plate, and other plates. The price varies depending on the price of substrates with different corrosion resistance. Among them, the most commonly used substrates are hot-dip galvanized steel and aluminum zinc coated steel. It should be noted that the market demand for laminated steel plates is smaller than other types of steel plates, and they are generally only produced by private factories. Specification ranges. The thickness range that can be processed for VCM laminated steel plates is 0.3 to 2 mm. Over 90% factories manufacture with thickness below 1.2 mm. MESCO is one of the fewest that can produce above 1.2 mm and is the only one manufactures 2.0 mm. The width is mostly 1000 to 1250 mm, and the widest can be 1600 mm. The coating film thickness range is 20 to 120 microns for PET film and 50 to 800 microns for PVC film. Nearly 95% factories manufacture PVC film up to 300 microns, and MESCO is the exclusive one that can produce 800 microns outdoor anti-aging PVC film. Please note, all VCM laminated steel coil or sheet has PP film to protect the surface from scratching. Other situations are similar to color-coated steel coils. The inner diameter of the coil is 508 or 610 mm, and the coil weight is 3 to 5 tons. The default factory packaging is horizontal. If the customer requires a wooden pallet at the bottom, the cost will increase by 50 to 80 yuan per ton. There are two types of inner sleeves, cardboard tube and iron tube. By default, the weight of the inner sleeve is included in the net weight. If the customer requires the use of an iron inner sleeve and the net weight is not included, an additional price will be charged. If the customer requires vertical packaging, a pallet must be added to the bottom, which will increase the cost by 80 to 150 yuan per ton. Advantages: easy to transport, more solid, and can effectively avoid coil collapse. Coating of substrate. The coating range of VCM laminated steel is from 40 to 275 grams for hot dip galvanized substrates and 30 to 150 grams for galvalume substrates, with most reaching 120 grams. The actual factory standard zinc coating of VCM laminated steel embossing area is 10 to 20 grams. Grade. Most VCM laminated steel plates use the common grade DX51D as the substrate. The stamping grade is generally up to 53D, and high strength only produces S550. Minimum order quantity. The MOQ for ordinary coating or grade or film thickness or pattern can be 25 tons. That for high grade or special grade or pattern is generally 50 tons. If both or three are included, the MOQ is 100 tons. VCM laminated steel plates are generally not available in stock.